In this video, I'll show you how to add cursor click sounds in Camtasia. First, start by recording your screen using Camtasia's built-in screen recorder. For this example, I'll demonstrate by left-clicking on the Continue button and right-clicking on the Sign Up link. Once your recording is complete, you can easily add click sounds from the cursor effects section in Camtasia. As you can see, by default, no sound added to the video track. To do this, select the clip in your timeline, go to the Cursor Effects tab, and choose the sound you'd like to apply for both left and right clicks. In the Properties panel, you can further customize the click sounds, changing the sound for both left and right clicks, adjusting the volume to make the clicks more noticeable or subtle, depending on your preference. You can also enhance the click interaction by adding visual effects. For example, you can make a circle appear around the cursor each time you click, drawing attention to specific actions. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily add both click sounds and visual effects to make your video more engaging and professional. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.